Did you know that over 100 million hours of travel videos are watched on YouTube every single day? That's more than 11,000 years of travel dreams viewed daily. But here's the real question. Are travel videos keeping up with the way we want to experience the world? Welcome to a new era of travel storytelling, where cameras don't just capture places, they transport us. Travel videos have come a long way from shaky handheld vlogs. Now we have cinematic drones, immersive storytelling, and 360-degree virtual experiences. But even with all this tech, there's a major shift happening. The travel video space is saturated. With millions of creators uploading similar content, it's harder than ever to stand out. Viewers are bored of postcard-perfect shots with no depth. Engagement is dropping. Attention spans are shrinking. The old ways just aren't cutting it anymore. So what's changing? Let's explore the next wave of travel content. Virtual reality allows viewers to explore destinations as if they're already there. Drone cinematography gives breathtaking perspectives never before possible. User-generated content brings real voices and authenticity into the spotlight. Short-form storytelling hooks the viewer in under 30 seconds. VR travel experience. FPV drone flying through mountains. Instagram Reels, TikToks of user clips. Real-time phone clips of travelers. Overlay text. Authenticity is the new luxury. And now, get ready to witness a travel video like no other. This isn't a tour. It's not a vlog. It's a fully immersive, AI-enhanced, drone-guided experience that blends cinematic storytelling with real-time interaction, giving viewers the feeling of being there. This is the future, and it's already happening. Technology is transforming how we travel, not just physically, but digitally. With tools like VR, drones, and interactive content, the future of travel isn't just to show places, it's to feel them. And we're only just beginning. So what do you think travel videos will look like in 5 years? Tell us in the comments. And don't forget to check out our related videos on immersive travel content and next-gen storytelling. The future of travel videos is here. Are you ready to explore it?